Saving lives through innovative technology. Technomedics International Private Limited has been fueling the Sri Lankan healthcare sector since 1996 and has emerged as the nation's foremost provider of medical infrastructure, world-class healthcare equipment and turnkey solutions to hospitals. Technomedics is the first client from Sri Lanka to win the SAP ACE Award presented by the Indian SAP user group, Indus, for their SAP Business One implementation done by Pristine Solutions.
It's been a great experience for us here at Technomedics. We represent many prominent brands from across the globe, and we have almost 300 plus people working under our cluster of companies. So given the depth of our business, we are geared to bringing in many innovative and technologically advanced solutions to our country. We work very closely with our key opinion leaders, namely consultants, nurses, paramedics, whilst at the same time gaining knowledge and tacit insights from our principals. So in this way, we bring in a lot of technology in the field of medical devices into this country. So to support this aspect of bringing medical technology into Sri Lanka, we need to integrate all our business processes. So namely finance, imports, supply chain, sales and marketing and technical, all were working in one way in an isolated departmental form. But over the years we've realized we need a robust integrated platform which could help us bring in all our functions together. So after careful evaluation, we looked at various ERP platforms and we went ahead with SAP B1. And although during the implementation phase we encountered many challenges, but the two teams worked together hand in hand as two business partners to bring in the desired outcomes for our cluster of companies. So today we can boast, after many years of implementation, that we have an integrated system, integrating the many functions, the processes, and bringing together the people who are behind this whole venture of bringing tangible clinical outcomes to our customers. So from a strategic standpoint, we are very happy after having implemented SAP B1.
We have a very high number of installations even at ICUs or MCUs. So the responsibility is very high. To manage them, it is very much required to have a proper automated system. So to do that, of course, we need to have a proper ERP system. So in that purpose, of course, we have evaluated several ERPs and ultimately we have decided to go with SAP B1. So we have implemented SAP B1, but actually when we were implementing, there were so many challenges. But after we implement it, everybody has realized that it is a very stable system and it is providing good and accurate information, and it has increased the efficiency of our staff. The Pristine team also has given major support for us to implement this system at this level. They were working with us day and night, and even after when we need a support, they are there to provide us on-time support when we are required. So with SAP we have achieved that as well, and that made us our income also increase because we were managed to send our AMCs on time and manage warranties properly, and we did our planned services on time, so the customers were very much happy. We have resolved a lot of customer pain issues with the automated technical management system.
And we look forward to work with Pristine Solutions, our valued business partner, to take it to even greater heights, to capitalize on the strengths of SAP V1 even further, so that a true enhanced customer experience can be made available to all those who come into contact with us.